Fike-ke emaphethelweni-ke wale season ye-Betway Premiership isizini-ke ka-2025 no-2026-ke. Hhayi-ke yonke into-ke eseyicacile-ke ukuthi iqembu-ke le-Orlando Pirates ibona-ke ompetha-ke be-Betway Premiership-ke kuyona-ke le sizini emva kokuthi-ke ezikamagebhula-ke ziguqisa-ke iqembu-ke le-Orbit College emdlalweni-ke we-Betway Premiership-ke ebodlalelwa-ke laphana-ke enkundleni-ke Imbombela Stadium. Kanti-ke lamagoli-ke lawa-ke omabili-ke ayenze ukuthi Orlando Pirates-ke ibe ompetha-ke be-Betway Premiership. Amagoli-ke lawo kube-ke ama-own goal-ke. Kanti-ke lokuqala-ke lingene ngesiwombe-ke sokuqala lapho-ke unozinti-ke we-Orbit College yena-ke uSabelo Nkomo-ke ayewenza-ke i-own goal-ke ngesiwombe sokuqala. Kanti-ke umdlalo-ke uqhubekile kutheke ngesiwombe-ke sesibili uNdumiso Ngiba naye-ke wenza-ke i-own goal-ke eyenza ukuthi-ke ezikamagebhula-ke zibe ompetha be-Betway Premiership. Okokuqala-ke emva kwesikhathi eside lapho besibona khona-ke amasandawana-ke bewadominate-ke isikhathi eside obukuyiwona-ke ebebawina-ke indebe-ke lena-ke ye-Betway Premiership. Kanti-ke sokucacile-ke okuningi-ke nasenzansi-ke sokucacile ukuthi iqembu-ke le-Orbit College li-relegate-we-ke seliphumile-ke Premier Soccer League siyolodlala-ke kwi-Mutsipe Foundation Championship-ke ngesizini elandelayo bese kuthi-ke iMagesi-ke yona-ke izodlala-ke ama-playoffs. Ngakho-ke siyibongele-ke ezikamagebhula ukuthi-ke egcineni-ke Orlando Pirates ikwazile ukuthi iwine-ke indebe-ke lena-ke ye-Betway Premiership emva kwesikhathi eside amasandawana-ke adominate. Kanti-ke umdlali-ke ovelele obe i-man of the match uSimphiwe Selebe naye-ke umfana-ke obukeka nje emotional kakhulu ngemva kwalo mdlalo lapho-ke athe yena-ke ubonga nje kakhulu-ke ithuba leli-ke umqeqeshi-ke u-Abdeslam-ke amnikeze lona ngemva kwesikhathi eside-ke angadlali. Uyalamukela-ke ithuba-ke lelo-ke uthi-ke ulithokozele kakhulu-ke umfana-ke ithuba leli-ke alitholile lokuthi-ke adlale-ke njengoba-ke kwazi ukuthi-ke egcineni abe-ke i-man of the match-ke kuwona-ke lo mdlalo. Kanti-ke nonozinti-ke we-Orlando Pirates-ke uSipho Chaine uthole-ke i-clean sheet yakhe enye futhi-ke uqeda-ke isizini sekanama-clean sheet-ke angu-21-ke kuyona-ke isizini lena-ke ka-2025 no-2026 okwenza ukuthi uSipho Chaine-ke abe uyena-ke unozinti-ke oba nama-clean sheet-ke amaningi kuyona-ke le season. Mawubheka nje indebe-ke eziwine-ke i-Orlando Pirates nje cishe-ke isizini yonke-ke Orlando Pirates iwine i-M10 AD yawina i-Carling Cup-ke yawinwa-ke i-Orlando Pirates. Kanti-ke indebe-ke abangakwazanga ukuthi-ke bayiwine indebe-ke ye-Nedbank Cup kodwa-ke kule season-ke baqoqeke indebe-ke ezintathu-ke bona-ke abafana-ke be-Orlando Pirates ngamagebhula